Do you like my hair? Because I love it. Like, it's so full, so luscious, so lightweight. Hi guys, so from the title of this video, your girl is about to attempt some mini twist for the first time ever. I have never done this before on the whole of my hair history, and I know that this hairstyle is gonna come out fire. It's gonna come out, looking good. So we're gonna be doing this together. My hair is freshly washed and treated. I've seen different versions of mini twist, so I'll kind of decide the size that I want as I go on. But I think I want the tiny twist because I would love to keep this hairstyle on for like 2 months, yeah, as a protective style and to also retain more length. So these are the products I'll be using. I have my leave-in conditioner here. I have some water in the spray bottle in case my hair misbehaves. I have some moringa oil, moringa butter, sorry, made with shea butter. And I have my gel here. Yeah, you'll be seeing what I'll be doing with this. And I have my rosemary oil. So guys, please pardon the noise. Whatsoever noise you'll be hearing, just pardon it. Like, it's so difficult being a content creator in Nigeria, especially where you can't control the noise of your neighborhood. So starting off, I'm not working with stretched hair, so I'm gonna spritz my hair with water to soften it. As many of you will know, I am a working sections type of girl. I just section the front of my hair in two and will work with the back part whole, so I can section my hair row by row so the back of my hair can be equally parted and uniform. So first I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner to follow up the water and thereby softening my hair even more. So next I go in with my butter. I rub it between my fingertips down its solid form to its liquefied form, then apply it on my scalp and on the section of hair I'll be working with. So I section the hair in two and then I begin my mini twist. As I work my way down the hair, I make sure I twirl and twist, ensuring that my hair is fully twisted with no gaps in between. Once I make it forward towards the end, I take my hair scissors and trim my ends because I have a little bit of a split end situation going in right there. And then I take a little of my gel, the one I showed you earlier, and apply on my ends to give it that coily look. It creates such a little cute coil, and boom, first and second mini twist done. So guys, I am about 2 hours in and this is how far I have gotten. Guys, who falls sick while doing their hair? Me. I was fine when I started my hair. I was fine before I even started. Okay, the backstory is my toddler is not feeling fine. He has a flu. So I've been trying my possible best to make him comfortable, giving him all the love and support he needs. And now guess what? He passed it down to me. And now I'm done with a flu while doing my hair. It just started abruptly. And I'm like, what the hell? And now I'm having a headache. I'm having a not runny nose. It's just a lot. My eyes are aching, kind of like the lights are hurting my eyes and all of that stuff. So yeah, and it's slowing me down. It's actually slowing me down because for real, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. My hair, this is what I've done with my hair, the back section. I've done a couple of twists and I think it's a little bit much, and I'm loving the result. I'm loving what I'm seeing. And it's been 3 hours, almost, yeah, it's been 3 hours since I started. So I don't know if I'm going to finish up today or I'm just gonna continue tomorrow.
I'm actually really loving how this is turning out. It's starting to look fuller, and I am done with the back section of the hair. As you can see, this is looking so beautiful. This hairstyle is about to be a bomb. It's already giving bomb, and the product I'm using is giving my hair such a cute finish. I am in love, you all. I'm in love. I know everyone have their way and method they attempt this mini twist hairstyle, but for me personally, I love the method that I use paired with the product that is going to make my hairstyle last and give it the 2 months longevity I long for. Yeah, you heard me right. 2 months. I'm gonna take this hairstyle for up to 2 months to give me the length retention that I want, because I am on a length retention journey. My method may look a little bit more time consuming, but however, it will pay off in the long run. When your hair is growing and flourishing over time and still looks neat and clean regardless of how long you keep them, because you put in the time and effort that was necessary to maintain a long protective style. So long story short, take your time, do not rush the process, and your hard work will pay off in the long run. When you're a month and a half in and your twist only looks 2 weeks old. Hair looking so full, you can tell me nothing. All done, guys. It is 1:29 a.m. and we just got done. I'm so freaking tired. Oh god, it's so beautiful, so freaking cute. This hair is luscious. It is everything it is given. It's so mindful, so demure, so purr.
So guys, I'm done with my hair as you saw last night. It took me about 7 hours to finish up my hair. I started by 6 p.m. and we got finished at 1 a.m. so yeah. Do you like my hair? Because I love it. Like, it's so full, so luscious, so lightweight. And like I said in the beginning of this video, I'll be carrying this hair for 2 months if possible. Yeah, because it's a protective style, we need to retain all of those length. So yeah guys, do you love my hair? Because I love it so much. No one told me mini twist looks so good on me. Like, can you see my hair? Can you see my hair? So guys, that'll be all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.